training, or you're doing main business in training and then doing side business in recruitment. No, this is both. We do both, like two separate businesses, but then we join force together.
Along with the lab business as well, it's been wonderful, and actually seeing all of you here tonight gives me confidence that the company will continue to grow.
Actually, I bring along with my data guy, so we try to look into how the outside market is doing, and get to know how other company is having in the maturity of how they see the data. So just to get to know the market a little bit more.
Bye, thank you.